Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you this nice toll plaza, toll booth MOC I have right here, and it has a thing that goes up and down like this. So the gate can go up and go down, and it has this attached camera to it. It's removable like that, but you can reattach it. And I used a bunch of snot holes to connect these like this. So now it goes up and down. And then we have the toll area. So this is just a bunch of 1x2s over here surrounding the building. And then some cheese pieces up here just to make the design look a little better. Some tiles and some 2x2 pieces. And then I just put a bunch of tiles here for the road. I put some of these down here to make a little ramp to get on, in case you have like hard surfaces and you don't have a base plate. So let me use an example so that I can show you how this toll booth works. So here's my moving truck I have made. So it'll go up the ramp, it'll pay the toll, and up the gate goes, and off he goes. So put it down. That's the toll booth. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.